In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn followers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see who follows your updates, plus a few helpful tips to make sense of what you're seeing. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. This simply helps you reach the official site quickly. In the search results, click the official LinkedIn.com link. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and you'll arrive at your homepage. Once you're on LinkedIn, look along the top navigation bar and click My Network. This section is where LinkedIn groups your connections, contacts, and the people and organizations you interact with. It's the hub for everything related to your professional relationships. On the My Network page, find and click Following. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see this in the left-hand panel under the area that manages your network. If your window is smaller, you might see it tucked inside a menu. Just look for Following and select it. This page shows the profiles, pages, newsletters, and more that you currently follow. Now, to see who's following you, switch to the Followers view. On the following page, you'll notice a tab or option labeled Followers. Click that. You should now see your total follower count along with a list of people who have chosen to follow your updates. Remember, followers are not always the same as connections. Connections are mutual. You both agreed to connect, while followers can include people who want to see your public posts without being directly connected. As you scroll, you can open any follower's profile to learn more about them, and in many cases, you'll see options to follow them back or send a connection request if that makes sense for your goals. If you post publicly, your follower number may include people outside your immediate network, which is normal. Also, follower counts can update over time, so don't worry if the number shifts slightly from day to day. A quick tip for clarity: what you follow determines what you see in your feed, while your followers determine who can see your public updates more easily. If you ever can't find the Followers tab, make sure you're on the My Network section first, then move into Following, and from there, select Followers. That's it. You've successfully found your LinkedIn followers.